Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Big thank you to the Fable Record for pointing out that this might be black mastic. I still have some grinding I want to do, but we are going to put all of this on pause because I don't want to get lung cancer. Let's do some research on asbestos. Okay, so this is the chat thread we had down here. It looks like highly possible that it might have some asbestos. I'm gonna go to this Ace Hardware near me. It should have one of these kits I could pick up. Let's go shopping. We're back from shopping. Here is the price. I really like Ace Hardware. I should go back there more often. Let's do the unboxing short and see what's inside here. Looks like we just spray the area with some soapy water, chisel, cut, scrape some into the sample bags, and mail it in. Let's get to work. I wanted to get out of there as soon as possible because I don't know how contaminated it is. Here is the amount that I scraped off the ground. Gonna fill out this registration form. I put the sticker here and one there. Looks pretty straightforward. Gonna fill this out and pay online. I paid $40 to get both of them sampled. It's $20 each. Figured it's probably a good idea to double check. Gonna put this and those two in here, take it to the post office. Gonna make a video on the results when I get them. Hopefully I don't have asbestos because it just seems like it's gonna be a lot of work. The video 333 done. Awesome. Thank you.